La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Raid failed. L. Raid didn't fail. Raid worked fine. What the hell? What the hell? Why are we telling me raid failed? Hey everyone. Hey everyone. Welcome on in. Come on in. Come on in. Hi. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. Failed. It said you were offline. I was not offline. Hi guys. Hi. Oh, nerd stuff. Let's put on jazz. Cool. Is that nice? Is that good? Is that a good volume? Or not really? Is that a good volume or nah? Okay. I'm also going to turn my mic up a bit so I can move it away. Oh, that's better. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like... Yeah. Tired today. Today was a tired day. It's also because I haven't eaten though. So let's solve that first. Let's get some freaking food, eh? Nice. Bro. Wait, can you hear Music Echo or is it fine? Where's the hoodie from? This is the Fortnite Ralph Lauren collab. It's kind of lit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fan. Personally, I'm a fan. No way, am I too late for Wagamamas again? Do they close at 10 now? Crazy. Crazy. Hi, Tubbo, I just donated blood. Lit! Yeah, Wagamamas is shut. Damn. I really, what do I want to eat then? I'll get an assortment of various Sushi Co items, I reckon. Where's Bower Bun? Give me Bower Bun. Bower Bun? Bower Bun. W Bower. What the fuck? Why is there 6 things in my... Oh, shit. Wait. Oh no, I'm actually going to change up what I'm getting. Wait. Wait. Hey, remember my order that I tried to order a while back? I'll get that. Lit. Hey chat, does Tubbo have Phil VOD on? Yeah. I'll replace it with nerd details in a minute. Damn, you guys were claiming your stream streaks is crazy. Okay. I'll get into it in a sec. Was that a good stream? That felt like a good stream. I don't know. Grafana on the CLT, yeah. But we have to fix Grafana first. What's the old TV connected to? Phil's or VODs? It felt like good vibes. Oh no. Wait, I realized my only Chrome instance is over here. I need a Chrome tab on my main monitor. There we go. There we go. Yeah, stream is fun. Yeah, I want to do more stuff like that, which is just fun. Wait, Melink's doing a 24-hour stream tomorrow? 24 hours of Melink, speedrunning, baking, IRL streams, etc. Wait. Guys, Loki, do we crash the Melink's IRL stream tomorrow? 5v5 Counter-Strike would be good? Yeah. That would be sick. We could crash the Melink stream. Resco's very nostalgic, to be honest. If it helps, I made a list of stream ideas for inspiration. You made stream ideas for me? Guys. Guys. It's actually my job. You've actually done my job for me. That's crazy. That's crazy. And just a few classics, to be fair. Yeah, well, now we got this fun camera. We can definitely do, more other stuff, to be honest. Did I order that food? Because I'm not going to lie, I'm famished. Yeah, I did. Okay, good. That was fun. That was very good fun. I enjoyed it. I guess I'm still live. It's weird to do... It's weird to do a post-mortem now I'm not live, you know? Okay. He's even more jobless now. What do you mean? Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Getting back on the peak Tubbo grind, lovely. Whoa, welcome. Also, Loki, earlier today, I agreed to do a speedrunning event with Fulham. So that's going to be fun. I guess we'll do that. Oh my god, Hypixel Skyblock is officially moving to modern versions of Minecraft only. From February 24th, the two most recent releases of Minecraft will be able to log into Skyblock. As of right now, it's 1.21.9 plus. RIP 1.8.9. 1.8 is finally dead. Wow. 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 1.8 is finally dying. 10 years later. 12 years later. I still prefer 1.8 PvP. You can prefer that, but the game is worse in that version than it is today. Damn, Prince Zam just hit 500k as well. Crazy. Zam's actually the GOAT. Did you see this? What's this? Curryway? Oh, yes, of course I saw that. Of course I saw that. Curryway firing off Obama. Okay, Tubbo, do you use Linux for your server? And do you use Linux for your server? And do you use Linux? I use Linux for my server. I use macOS for my laptop and Windows for my computer. But if you ask me to pick, if I didn't have to live stream, I would pick macOS over Windows. Sorry, I'm in it now. I prefer it. Guys, I do need help though. Currently, all of my metrics are down because Prometheus failed to initialize because my database node lost power and it forgot its mount, its network mount. But I swear I changed the config. And I was wondering, does that mean that the data is lost if it lost its mount, or no? Does that just mean I need to retell it where it is? Do you guys know, or not really? So my raid 5 array, wasn't there a bit for that in the last stream? Was it not etc/f stab? Yeah, I did that, but did Grafana lose it or Prometheus? Prometheus. Which is what I was worried about, because only Prometheus data was stored in the raid 5 array. So that's what I'm worried about. Then the data is probably gone. Okay, can you help me reset up the file mount then? That's annoying. Play-fr-db-1. There we go. So check this out. I'll set up the stream nerd mode. Give me a sec. So check this out. When I do LSBLK now, the RAID 5 array is now MD127, and it's not mounted. But if I do CD/MNT, oh wait, CD/MNT and LS, my multiple disk directory is still there. I just can't CD into it because it's not mounted to the array. So that's what I'm worried about right now. So what do I need to do to remount this? Does anyone know or no? Is it still an F-stab? Let's check that. Nano/EDC/F-stab. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Oh, it's because when it restarted, it changed the name to... Wait, what the fuck? Okay, wait. So if I do LSBLK, how come this changed to multiple disks 127, not multiple disks 0? Does anyone know? Because basically, I didn't power down the server. The server just cut out for 3 minutes because OVH outage, I guess. Uh-oh. That's the exact issue, at least. Oh, good. This is also one spot you can mount by UUID instead of dev node. Really? Okay. So I just need to... I figured out the UID in the file. Did not match the UID of the RAID software. Okay. Wait. The following... and the following reboot, it named back to dev-md0. The array in the config... Wait. Okay, what am I trying to do here? What am I trying to do here? Oh wait, my computer went in night shift. That's so nice. Something about a UID mismatch you need to fix. But as far as I can read, but I'm also multitasking. I need my nerds. Quick, go nerd category. We've gone nerd category. So I figured out the UID didn't match the UID of the actual software RAID in this server due to some uncareful system admin activity. So in this file, so if I just nano this file. So there didn't seem to be a UID in there. But these disks know they're in RAID 5. They just say they're not mounted. Do the Madden command in that thread with your/dev. Okay. So this would be dev. Wait, but which what? MD127. Not detected. Just jumped into the scene. What's the system issue? The RAID 5 array renamed its multiple disks and unmounted itself from its mounting point, causing Prometheus to crash. And that's what I'm trying to fix. Array UUID. So that's the array UUID. So let's save that. Are you working with Debian? I am indeed working with Debian. Chatpad. It's in Chatpad. Dude, I need some food. I'm getting the worst headache ever. BL Kid shows the UIDs of petitions. Oh, really? I see. So yeah, that's the array UUID there. But we've already got that. That matches. Wait. The UUID is the ID you need. Wait, but is that's different to the one I just... Wait, is it? Wait, okay. So I need that, which is different from the one that I just got. Did you check the RAID status? Well, it seems to be fine. All 4 disks are seen. No, the ID from the RAID section? Wait, what? Am I stupid? Oh, I might be stupid. Okay, where? Oh, MD. Ah, okay, that's the UID. There, that one. Yeah. So then I need to then nano back into my Madden config and I need to create it in here. But this doesn't make sense. No, sorry, not this one. It's a different config. It is the /etc/f. Nope. Wait, so renaming it from 128 to MD0? Yeah, it renamed it from MT0 to 127. Then S-Live, you can just do UUID. Really? Okay. But I also want it to be MD0 again. So I also want to rename it, and then I want to reboot it to test it. I see. Okay, so I change where it says this here to UUID. Understood. Then I take this UUID here, and then I paste that there. Just like that. Then Control O, Control X. But now I just want to rename the block. So if I, wait, so if I do LSBLK, they still aren't mounted. I just want to rename it to M. And then do that again. Okay. Okay, now they're mounted. But this is still a different... This is still a different name. I want this to be empty. So now can I cd slash mount... Okay, why can't I... Okay, cd... Yes! My day is saved! Oh, awesome! Okay. Keep in mind, MD127 with UUID entered STAB will always mount, ignoring the MD file name thing. Yeah, I just want it to be MD0 in case I end up adding another RAID array to this server. Linux is probably automatically the array name set to the madam config, so it becomes consistently. Well, the madam config was empty. If I look, oh, that's not what I want. Look, it's completely empty. They're just getting it all out. Oh. If the array is in order, you don't need to edit the madam config. I'd say just keep it default. Okay, so let's just do a sudo restart now. Oh. Oh, sorry, reboot now. Okay. And then we will let it do that. And then hopefully when it comes back, my metrics will be fixed. Is my food almost here? Fuck, bro. My food is not almost here. Oh, you get a root prompt. So sudo is redundant. That's true. I forget I'm logged in as root, so I don't need to write sudo. It's just a habit. What terminal is he using to... Wait, what is he using to terminal in the servers? This is Termius. It's quite nice. I've got all my snippets here as well, which are like Ansible playbooks that I run on every server, which is nice. You can see here, I just put what host I want it to run on, and it will SSH in and run the snippet, which is really useful. Also, no, you probably also didn't need to do that revote now. Yeah, but I want to test to see if it breaks again, because last time it broke. Nope, it's not coming back up. Why is it not coming back up? Wake up. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, you don't need the now after reboot? Oh, really? Uh-oh. What do you recommend to learn about infrastructure and sysadmin? I don't know. I'm quite the beginner. You should probably ask someone that knows more than me. Let's try that again. Software KVM time. No. Don't say such a thing. The shit comes back. Boom. So I just LSBLK. Boom. Sorted. And now if I go on here and go to my SSO. Boom. No, bro. Why? It's running. Why? Service unavailable. Oh, no. Maybe it's working now. It is working. It's coming back. It's coming back. Wait. Is it? It looks to be. It's slowly coming back. The scrapes are just kicking in a gear slowly. Wait. Wait. These are my metrics. What the fuck? Okay, cool. 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 We're so back. Okay. That was scary. I didn't have, like, monitoring for, like... Oh, no, but it's not gonna have... Man, I need to really store my Prometheus on my Grafana. You know what I need? I need a failover Prometheus. Can I do that? Can I set up Prometheus failover on a VPS? I kind of need a failover Prometheus. Because I'm now missing all the data. Oh, no, but that means I need to do Kubernetes and do replicas and pods. Oh, no. You can just run it on 2 different times with 2 different machines. Yeah, but that means I need another... That means I need another 8... No. That means I need another, 18 terabyte database node, which is expensive. Just set up 2 separate Prometheus instances. What? And split my array into 2 different arrays? But that means if that single box goes down. Why do you need 18 terabytes for Prometheus? It's a scrape interval of 1 second. And it scrapes... I believe it scrapes 40... I want to say it scrapes 50 to 100 endpoints every second. And stores the data for 90 days. So that's why. You know? That's why. Big boy Prometheus. TBH, consider reducing the scrape interval because you'll run into less issues when it's starting to get bigger. Yeah, but... I miss out on a bunch of metrics with a 5-second scrape interval. Like, for example, when the router is dropping packets, I can sometimes, if I don't have a 1-second scrape interval, I can sometimes entirely miss the packet drop. Because it will be less than a second long. And Loki, I don't know if that's worth the risk. Is that crazy? You also miss all the metrics that take longer than 1 second to scrape. No. Because depending on what type of metric it is, you can send individual scrape intervals for individual endpoints. So metrics which take databases that take more than a second to query are set to 5 seconds. And then databases that take more than 5 seconds to query are set to 10 seconds in the Prometheus config. For example, this query here... because it has to scan like 600,000 ports, is only done once every 10 minutes. And what other ones? Let me find it. I'm pretty sure, let me find the endpoint. This endpoint here takes a long time to query as well. So, This one is only run once every 10 seconds as well. Are you using Prometheus with SNMP polling at all? I do not know what that is. Bro. Should we just ban this chatter, guys? I think I might. I think I might fire off a 24-hour. There'd be nothing but insufferable in the chat. I'm like, that's crazy. Honestly, yeah, I thought so. I don't understand much on screen, but I'm happy to learn. I'm not a very good teacher because I don't know particularly much myself, but I'll try to explain it as I do it. I think what I'm going to do now is I want to set up a dashboard which I can display on this TV here, because that's just cool. Why not use a lower scrape interval for a backup instance and then store shorter interval for a short? That's a really good point. Set up a second Prometheus instance which does like a 10-second scrape interval but then never deletes its logs, or like a minute scrape interval, and then store that in parallel. And then I can have a dashboard on the RTA Prometheus endpoint, and then I can have one on the archive Prometheus endpoint. That's good, bro. That's good. That is actually really good. Wait, camera, pan up a bit. Up, please. Thank you. Yeah. SMP can be very neat for monitoring some low-level stuff, like a bunch of routers can also expose it that way. How much traffic is going over port 1.5, etc.? Okay. You know what I want to get set up? I want to set up so I have a controller on a 4G network in the office, which I can send wake on LAN packets from to wake up servers when like they're inactive, so I can deploy new customers remotely. So I'm not constantly, if I want to grow the hosting company at the minute, I have to be in the office to deploy the server. If I could set up a wake on LAN system on a backup network, that would be so good. Like, I don't know. I feel like that's my next. I think I need better alerting, to be honest, still. What the fuck? Oh, never mind. Sorry. This is just telling me they've arrived at Yo Sushi to pick up. Not Yo Sushi, Sushi Co to pick up my order. I thought it said they didn't. I was like, what the hell? It's about to crash out. Didn't though. What is this query here? This is Donut Shield, right? Yeah. Okay, lit. Do you ever end up setting that WhatsApp alert system on Grafana? I didn't. I crumbled. I didn't understand it. I actually crumbled. Alert, we didn't pick up your order. What do queer donuts have to do with coding? What do you mean? You should. It would be useful. So task for now. Yeah, I suppose we could do it now. I'll need a lot of support from you guys, though, because I really don't know how to do it, to be totally honest. Oh, Donut Shield query? Oh. Donut Shield is advanced layer 7 DDoS protection for Minecraft. And also, it's like the biggest Anycast network for Minecraft servers as well. So, Donut Shield's Nathan thing, yeah. Yeah, so not only is it the biggest Anycast network for Minecraft, it's also very advanced layer 7. Like, they're the only people that haven't been massively hit offline, which is crazy. Not to glaze, but I really do like them. I'm not gonna lie though, the API has gone down twice though. Not lit. Not lit. Wait, I did phase up. That's funny. Just not lit. I was like, that's... I think Twitter lets you do it easily, but you might have to pay for each message. I don't know how they price things. Yeah, I think that's what we wanted to set up. I think this is what we... I think this is where you lost me. The pricing was really reasonable. Yeah, the pricing was like crazy. It's like, I'm not even being funny. It's like nothing, bro. It's actually like nothing. You could do it with a webhook on Discord for cheap. Yeah, but I don't get Discord pings. Sorry, I'm logging into my Tweedaloo account. This is me actually watching a Tubbo Tech stream.
3. Okay, any questions before I go on from here? Great. I really understood that well.
Great. I really understood that well. That's funny. Great. So what do I want to do? Messaging? I want to do messaging, not virtual phone. I want WhatsApp. Senders. WhatsApp senders. This is what I want. Please upgrade your account to submit a WhatsApp sender. How do I upgrade my account? I'm on trial. Upgrade account. What do I need to upgrade my account to? How much is this about to charge me per month? It says create customer profile. What? I don't want... Okay. Okay, continue. No, we got stuck at this because I need to submit... We got stuck on this because I needed to submit my legal documents. Yeah, I need to send in my government ID. That's where we got stuck at this. But I'm not wanting to do SNS. I'm just wanting to do WhatsApp. Watch this video. That's crazy. Oh, just WhatsApp? Yeah. I'm not going to watch it now because I'm doing stuff, but maybe later. Back in the building again. Dude, that building's my damn house, bro. Chill. 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 I'd rather be homeless. You can't say that. Think of Johnny. Oh, shit. I think my food's finally here. Oh, my God. I'll be right back. Hey, I keep accidentally intermittent fasting, bro. I got some bangers. But, oh my god, these things smell so good. Oh my god, look at how fucking good that looks. Oh my goodness me. Oh my goodness me. I'm spoiled. Mmm. You're making me hungry? Sorry. Katsu chicken bower bun. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. Would it make more sense just to use Telegram for alerts for now, just so you have them? Vortex, I'm actually with you. I was literally, after I eat, I was going to say, we just have to fire off Telegram. Okay. Be right back. Just go wash my hands. I must admit, it's cold today. Server room's chilly, boys. So the main things I want alerting on is I want an alert to fire if a used memory drops below, like, I don't know. Can I? Oh, it's Prometheus. If I go back 7 days, I can actually, I'll have to set this to off, just so it loads. Oh my gosh, beautiful udon as well. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm gluttonous, but... So yeah, if I zoom in on this here, that section of data there, this here. So I want a notification to fire if my used memory ever drops below 200 gigabytes. How slow is this Prometheus? Bro, it's querying hard drives. Hello, what's happening? Hello. The camera looking down at you eating, I can't. I'm sorry. It's good though. Because like, it's quite normal for me to get memory drops like this. These drops correlate with the database, which just means the database is just saturating the transfer speed on the NIC of that box over this period here. So if you look here, oh, okay. So this here is the 30 gigabit peak of the database pulling files back to it. And that's corresponding with timeouts here on Prometheus because it presses the CPU for a little bit. So yeah. You can, maybe there's a few disconnects caused here. You can have a look at this graph here, but I don't think it's anything massive. I think you said udon noodles. Yeah, it's udon. Are you going to use Prometheus alerts or Grafana alerts? Grafana alerts. Tubbo, you can have a high scrape interval, but not store it for very long for that backup instance. That's kind of the plan. That's what you suggested earlier, no? I might be crazy, but I think that's what I'm going to do. W veggies in this, by the way. W veggies. Okay, shall we set up alerts? Okay. Alerting. So I need to make a contact point. Alerting contact points. And then what? I want to use... Oh. We're just going to use Telegram. So I need to now install Telegram on my phone. Okay. I'm installing Telegram. Use pushover. It's £5 one time and just working. I don't know. It feels like I don't really want to set up a third party. I'd rather just keep it. Third party, you're installing Telegram right now, lol. No, but I mean as in like, but the Telegram integration's already built into Grafana. I mean as in like, I wouldn't want to have to add another contact method. Okay. Okay, so I've got Telegram now. Now I need to make a Telegram bot. Telegram Premium? You don't need that. Don't need that. Message bot father. What does that mean? That's how you make a bot on Telegram. Alu, bot father. What the hell? Bot far. How do I create a bot? FQA. Then type /new bot. What the fuck? Okay, so I need to go chats, new chat, bot. Bot father does not exist. Oh, bot father. Yeah. Okay, start. /new bot. Alright, new bot. How's it going? How do we call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Play hosting. Now let's choose a username. It must end in bot. Like Tetris bot or... Okay, Tetris _ bot. Okay. Play hosting bot. Sorry, this username is invalid. Okay, play hosting bot. Nice. Okay, so now it needs the ape. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, this is a pain in the fucking ass. I need more udon for this. So now I need to go to t.me/play hosting bot. Okay, cool. Start bot. Well, this isn't doing shit. Okay. Need to download the app, I think. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Maybe don't show it on Tubbo, not on stream. I'm not going to show it on stream. I'm going to put it on another monitor. Cool. Start messaging. Scan from Telegram mobile. Open in Telegram. Okay. That didn't do shit. Right, settings. What am I looking for? I'm looking for link devices. Devices. Scan QR. Yes. Link desktop device. Yes. Allow. Holy shit, this is gonna make me... Invalid QR code. No, very valid QR code. There we go. Login successful. Okay, cool. Okay, so now I have it all on here. Don't show the API token. I know. Guys, does anyone have... Okay. This should be the bot API page. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so that is... Okay, so that is what the API token looks like. Okay, it's that. That there. Okay. So then what do I need to fill in this? So I need a message thread ID, indicator, okay. So I'll put that in last. Chat ID, the inter-telegram chat identifier. So I need to create new channel, play hosting, right, create, private channel, save. Okay. Now I need to... How the fuck do I get the channel ID? We can't join the play hosting Telegram channel. Unless you guys want to know when my shit breaks. View channels. Settings, advanced, experimental. Settings, show peer IDs and profile. Sorry. It shows your chat ID. Oh, so I don't actually need it to be in a channel. Okay, cool. Thank you. I can do that. Then I just need to put my bot ID in there. Cool. It just says, okay, true, result, empty. That didn't do anything. Now send a message. Yeah, now you message it. It didn't come up in... wait, was I not supposed to open that in Chrome? I put that in Chrome. Refresh the page. Message the bot inside of Telegram. It should come up on the get updates after refresh. Okay. How? This is what I'm struggling with. How the fuck do I message the bot in Telegram? Oh, start. Oh my god. I did /start. Yo. Then refresh this. And then I need the message ID. The chat ID. I assume that is chat colon ID. What the fuck? Make this pretty. Update ID? Wait. Okay. First name, Toby Smith. Okay, so it knows that about me. Type bot command. Okay. Text, yo. And there's chat ID. Okay. So I can share the chat ID, right? I can just put that in there. Wait, is the thread ID and the chat... Oh, no, that needs to be in the chat ID. So up there. Okay. Optional settings. Disable web preview. Protect content. Notification settings. Disable... Okay, so this is all optional. So that's actually what it needs. And now, if I take this, then, do I need to put the part of the ID which says bot in it, or do I just need to put the ID? Do I need to include bot in it? Because it didn't include bot in it. I don't think I do. Save contact point. Oh, play hosting telegram. Bot is part of the URL. Only after bot. Okay, cool. Right. So that's now done. Unused. Yeah, okay, cool. Press test. Where's test? How? Test it. There's a test button. Am I crazy? Oh, okay. Go inside. Edit. Test. Send test notification. Well, that's good. Well, that's good. What have I just said? I want my message to say, yo. Test notification. Firing. Summary, yo. Did I get it on my phone? It did indeed send it to my phone. That is indeed a test alert. Alright, that means Telegram. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm putting it in my start bar on my phone. Oh wait, that means I gotta remove something out of my start bar. I guess I need to remove phone. Yeah, I'll remove phone and I'm adding Telegram. Oh my god, I just became a degenerate. There's also the optional settings to edit the message. So this contact point works fine. Okay. 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 Right. Now we've got to go back to the main dashboard. We want to go to alerting. Alert rules. Okay. Data sources, Prometheus, dashboard overview. Contact point, Telegram. Oh, wait, no. Add new alert rule. Okay, Prometheus. Oh, fuck. This is going to get complicated. That is... Okay, right. Brother opened the logo, not deliberately. It's easier from the homepage. You can do it inside, really. So I want to set an alerting rule for this one. New alerting rule. Huh? Those CPU temps, they're Ryzen 9, it's fine. Set a code, do builder, select metric. Oh God! Okay, wait. Noodle cam is frying me. I think I'm doing something wrong. So these are the metrics I need. So which one's which? This is available memory. This is used memory. Okay. So I need my alerting rule to be this. Create more new alerting rule. Save dashboard, save, okay. What the fuck is happening? Fuck. Okay. Define your alert condition. Why is it giving me 2? So I want that prompt and I want it to, if it is less than 200. No. I need, no, I need it in gigabytes. How many bytes in 200 GB? That's really fucking useful. Right. Cool. 1,000, so 1,000, so that's 2 kilobytes. Fuck. 2 kilobytes. Oh, 11 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, did I even do that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And then the set as alert condition. What? Set as alert condition. No. Wait, why am I getting a random phone call now? Why is it calling me? No, I want is less than. Yeah. Okay. Run queries. This doesn't work. Run query. This doesn't even work. Alu, this is the server here. Help, please. Everything is on fire. Remove the expressions below. I know this expression works. No expression command in the query. I don't understand. Oh. Oh. Okay. Now, how do I... This is what I don't understand. Define query and alert condition. Where's my condition? Click preview. I don't see it. You have to do the condition in the query. You have the condition in the query thing. Preview is low. Preview. What did that do? Threshold. Input A is below 200. Series 10. What does that even fucking mean? Set threshold as alerting condition. Well, it didn't fire. I pressed preview and it didn't fire. So what the fuck's the issue? Oh, change it to above real quick. Firing! Clearly not firing because I didn't get the fucking text, did I? Is below, and then I want 11 zeros. Normal. So what? Okay. Folder and labels. New folder. Alerts. I don't know. No. Guys, how do I make... Not being funny. How do I make this alert fucking readable? This is so how do I get rid of all of this shit? Create new folder, primary, no, what I'll do, lease line network. Cool. Can I have, I'm not even in advanced mode anymore. So it fires when the query is less than that. What is this? Configure notification message. Will this actually work though? Can I put emojis in it? I'm gonna put emojis in it. Less than 200 gigabyte of RAM used. Global. That's kind of funny. Does that work? No. Okay, so that will just message me that now if I save that. Contact point. Oh, Telegram. Okay, save. Oh, what is this? What is this? How the alert happens, click new evaluation group. How often all roos in the group are evaluated? 10 seconds. It needs to be less than 10 seconds. What do I name the group? Network. Global network alerts. What? Must enter a group. I've done that. A period of which the threshold connection must be met to trigger an alert. Selecting none will trigger immediately. None. Set it like 1 to 5 minutes. Otherwise, random disconnect could set it off. That's the point! Random disconnect is supposed to set it off. Save. Okay. So how do I test this now? How do I test this? Test it, disconnect half the servers. It will only fire if all the servers disconnect, though. Edit? What? So set this to is above. Save. Firing. Yeah, my ass did not get a text. Have not got a text. Give it a second, okay. Guys, I'm not being funny. That took so fucking long. Guys, that took way too fucking long. How do I get rid of... I literally only want this text. I don't want any of this other shit here. How do I get rid of all of this shit? I only want this text to be sent. Does it also text if it gets... Oh yeah, wait, there you go. There's the alert firing. So now I go into edit. It's below. Normal. Cool. Save. Does it text me when it stops firing? Or does it not alert when it's resolved? Does it not alert if it's normal? It's not firing, it's normal. Or does it take a while to message me if it's normal? Thumbs up to it. No. Guys, does anyone in chat know how to get rid of all this Grafana junk? I have a dream of cutting all red cables in your office. Contact points, notification template. Okay. Thank you. Max, do you want to hang out? Contact points. Where notification templates? Okay, bro. Huh? I'm sorry, I'm chopped right now, so maybe not. That's okay. Go to string template. Go string template, you get used to it. What the hell? Can I have it just print my summary? The red ones, if he cuts the red cables, it will kill him because they have massive amps going through them. Result? Was the voltage 240? Yeah. Status firing. Copy all of the default template and create a dude alert, and you can go see what changes when you delete parts. That sucks. Cause this is like Slack. Where's Telegram? WeChat. Teams. SNS. Below Teams. Oh, okay. Where is define Telegram? Where is that? It seems you can change the times under timing options and contact points. Okay. What the fuck? Is that it? That's it. That's the only mention of Telegram in this document. Where is text? Where is that? Labels here. Are my notifications just doomed to be chopped? There's just so much spam. You can fully customize it, but do you want to have it work or know how it works? Like, I don't want this. Look. Template. This. If I just get rid of all of this. Labels. What is that? What is this labels versus that labels? Dashboard URL? Yeah, I don't need that. It says dashboard. Source, and then dashboard. Okay. I don't need any of that. Yeah, I literally do not need any of this. Okay. And then, what else do I have? Now you have two little ends. What do you mean? No, I don't. Surely try this. Surely this works. Where do I put this? Paste them in a new message, really? So here, create, okay. Then just bam. Then I just, one after the other, just put them in there. Bam. Bam. Just like that. I don't know, bro. Template group name, Telegram. So then what do I need to do now? I've got that. Set this to notification settings. No, I gotta set it for the alert. Phrase mode. I don't. Optional. Message. Edit message. Choose from template. Wait, what? Where is just the one called Telegram? Telegram firing. Save. And then test. That looks better. So what's that do? That's not right. That's clearly something else. Wait, why the fuck have some of the scrapes died? That just looks like some weirdness. So, wait. Edit message. So, okay, wait. So I need to find template. Okay, wait. Severity test alert. Alerts firing. So if I just save that now, then go back to notification templates, back to Telegram, then where's the silence part? Because I can just get rid of that. Middle bit is silence. Wait, I don't see it. Oh. This here. Not all that? Oh. Just this bit. Here. Oh, wait, no, because this here, I can put the Grafana URL here to open up the dashboard and it will embed it. So if I take this link, yeah, here, and put that into here, and then I delete this bit. this line here. Like that. Okay, is this now saved? Edit template group. Wait. It did not save it. Save. And if I go contact points, Telegram, edit, notification, wait, test. That didn't do shit. That literally did not do shit. Okay, lit. Yeah, no, that just did not do anything. It literally did save as well. Okay, cool. Okay. Maybe it's edit. Message. Say. Try test it again. That worked. Then if I click this, open dashboard, and it takes to my dashboard. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. Bang. We're getting somewhere. Bang. Okay. Okay. So what happened to this? Let's see what it looks like now if I go to, if I go to alert rules, this one, edit, change above, and then save. Firing. Hold. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Just thinking about it. Wait! Memory. What is this severity thing? We can change that. Now if I edit this again and set to as below. Save. What's the resolve look like? Hello? You're normal now. Why is it not correcting itself? Where's my resolved alert? Hello? How long did it take last time? Took 5 minutes. So, in 2 minutes time, in 3 minutes time, it should tell us it's resolved. Just for context, what are you doing right now? Setting up text alerts. Okay, did the clock just like freeze? Why is this not? I'm sure it will come through saying it's resolved in a second. I should name this something else though. This needs a different name. Play host. No, what do I need to do? Ryzen 9 node disconnect. Ryzen 9 mass. Ryzen 9 node mass disconnect. There we go. Because that's really what this metric tells us. So why some of the stats down? What? Oh, the dashboard with global players? True. Why don't we see? Well, clearly, clearly this is throwing into... Wait, what? Well, that's querying fine. Then what's... Ah! This is what's broken. This doesn't... This query doesn't return a null or a 0. Okay. So, really, Donut Shield is down. I should message Nathan. Yo, is your API down again? Because this isn't me. I've got my scrape set up correctly. Like, this is correct. This still hasn't fired to say it's fine. Hi Tubbo, do you know if it's common that a network switch will die because of a blackout? No, that is not common. That just happened to me. That shit's rare as hell. To be fair... Yay! It didn't work, but... it marked as resolved. Okay. I'm unironically wondering if hat-tricks will be faster than this. You know what I mean? I'm genuinely wondering if hat-tricks would be faster. But hat-tricks is also kind of slow. It just like alerts for a while. It takes way too much time to think if it's down. What comes through faster, the alerts from this or the alerts from the other thing? Hat-tricks is like a 1 minute delay. Yeah, it is. Hat-tricks is more than a minute delay. Okay, it's not my problem. Nathan just messaged me back. Yeah, funny that. You're my pager now. Lit. His API is, it's not my problem. I didn't break shit. That's crazy. Nah, but low-key, it's because his API is fucking massive, to be fair. To be fair, at least the API goes down and doesn't take players down. Well, yeah, it's a metrics API. Like, it doesn't handle any traffic. You know? Okay. Where was I? I want to go to, I want to go to contact points, notification templates, Telegram, edit. Okay. Then I want to go to this. What is autonomous node? So, what was wrong with this? Okay. I see what's wrong with this. Do I need autonomous alert values? I'll tell you what I don't need. I don't think I need this line. Like that. Or that line. And then I want to right click. Oh, I want to copy this URL. Here. And then replace this URL with it. There. So that should a public thing or something you made yourself? No, Nathan made it. It's DDoS prop. Why did it take 5 minutes to mark itself as resolved, though? That's crazy. Where's it say severity? Label severity. Yeah, we don't need that. Label severity. We can just... Yeah, we can just get that the fuck out of here, Loki. Yeah. Yeah, we can just... Because if it's sending me text messages, it's urgent. I'm not going to put anything on here which isn't urgent. Okay. Summary. So that'll be the summary I put in. And then alert values. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I'm going to... I see what alert values. I don't need that there. And I don't need that there. Well, I don't know where this CPU usage is coming. Oh, it's a template. Okay. Right. That's the name. CPU usage. That's what's firing. So now, okay, I'm starting to get it. So it's labels, a name. I don't know what this is again. I do not know what that is. Oh no, that's the summary. That's the alert. Okay. 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 Save that. Cool. Let's go into edit this. Then we want to go to edit message. Okay, no, this has the updated one. Okay, cool. So let's just test that real quick. That works! Test alert, test notification, open dashboard. Yes! That's exactly what I need. Okay. Now we can go to alerting at home. No, okay. Now take me to alert rules. Now let's edit this. Then we want the resolve. What am I looking for? It says 10 seconds there. Go to alerting notification policies. Oh, okay. Alerting notification policies. Default policy. Okay. Edit. Update policy. Wait. Edit. I want to change timing options. There we go. Groove interval. We will make that 1 minute. Group wait time before the first notification. No. Set that to 5 seconds. Repeat interview. And we'll set that to 1 hour. There we go. Actually, I should change that. I should change that to 30 minutes. Honestly, yeah, okay, yeah. So now, if I go to alerting, manage alert rules, okay. Let's edit this. What we actually want to do, though, is we want to change... We want to change this. Is it than or then? And we want to do that. So now, if I edit this, and I change this to above, and save, we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. I still think it needs a look. I still think it's not as nice as it should look right now. And it might. And that would open me up to here where we can see me testing these alerts. Hey! API is back. And there you go. Now global player's back. So let's do one more test alert then. Man, this music's putting me to sleep. I'm sorry. It's so I can think. It's my thinking music. So I edit this. Above. Save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 seconds isn't bad. And then we will now set it as below. And then that will take about a minute to update. I don't know why it does the spacing like that. Bit weird, but okay. Am I getting too pent up on the formatting of this? Maybe. Maybe I am. Resolved. So that now works on my phone. So now I have to go into my phone, my settings on my phone, go into notifications. Where's focuses? Oh, is it focuses? Do not disturb. And then I want to allowed apps. Telegram. Done. Okay. And then I want to personal apps, allow apps, Telegram, done. Oh, wait. So, how can I make an app bypass silent mode? If I go settings, notifications, and then I need to find Telegram. Telegram apps, notifications, announce notifications, Telegram notification settings. In-app vibrate. Names unlock. Yeah, okay, sure. Telegram might send non-useful alerts as well, really. What's the sound? No, I need a better sound than that. No. No, I need a way better sound than that. What is this? Is this a private chat? Is that what this is? Yes, it is. Okay, private chat. What sound? That's good! Okay, so now, let me close WhatsApp on computer, and then try send an alert to my phone. Edit? No, not what I want. Edit. Alright, is this gonna work? Please work. Please just work first try. Oh! Wait, it's a bit delayed on the phone. It's a bit delayed on the phone, but it's working. Now we wait. Because it's not firing anymore, is it? Yeah, it's normal. And now? Wait. Nice! Wait, I need to make that louder, bro. I'm not gonna fucking hear that. Sound and haptics. A volume limit. See, I want it that loud. That's how loud I want it to be. Ah, the alert noise. Ah. Ah, yes, the alert noise. So it looks like our alert system now works, which is great. I'm only tracking this metric here because low-key it's the only one that matters. If that... Sorry? What's happening here? Okay, someone's baking the realm. Nice. So yeah, if used memory goes below 200 gigabytes, it means a shit ton of stuff's disconnected. And that's what we're going to do to track whether the network goes down. Oh, wait, we could also... Wait, we could also do a total public bandwidth test, couldn't we? Like, if total public bandwidth drops below 1 megabit. No, could we not? The realm is cooked. Do-da-doop. Do-da-doop's kind of a goated notification noise, no? I should definitely add a... Wait, let me go back to 7 days and turn off refresh real quick. So that, yeah, basically didn't report when the service went down. Wait, no. No, wait. Take me to 7 days again. No, that was the VPS being down. Okay, something's up with total private bandwidth. Okay, so we can see crashes here. We can see those 3 crashes. Total database of people because it's gone down. No. Oh, wait, look at this, by the way. This is when we hit 2,900 players online. Before shit hit the fan. Do you see that? Nice. Twitch chat disconnected 3 times. Oh. So what did these crashes look like if I just zoom in on this bit of graph there? Yeah, okay. So that is a crash there. That syncs up with that. Let's zoom in on that. And then have a look at the graphs. What can we fire on? So outbound traffic drops to below 1 megabit across the board. Yes, so outbound and then inbound. Okay, so that's public bandwidth. That's on our bond. Total private is, yeah, so outbound is a little bit higher. Disconnects to, well, does this actually, I don't think, wait. Yeah, no, it doesn't actually set this to 0, which is confusing. It doesn't actually disconnect these players, which is annoying, but true. So, actually, we could alert on client egress, technically, because that would just be 0 bytes. That might actually be the most reliable way to know. However, that's contingent on the Donut Shield API not going down. And it's also contingent on the realm not going down. Wait, you guys still there? Maybe I make an alert for this. More new alerting rule. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, you're still here? Okay, cool. Just checking. Then I want to create... Record new rule. Okay. Wait. Define recording rule. Give a name to the new recorded metric. Wait, what? Okay. So I want to monitor outbound traffic. Yeah. Yeah, so that when we go down, that doesn't spike above. Okay. Okay, so this is the inbound. Yes, we'll track inbound because we don't need to track. So we want that query there. So that will be our yeah, so if I run that, yep, nice. Expression, we want if input A what the fuck? Wait, what is happening? Data source Prometheus. Wait, what the fuck? Okay, what do we want? Public primary network down. That's what we want. Wait, do I still have... No, I don't. Okay. Give the metric a name. The metric is... Fuck. It is... We're doing ingress, right? Inbound. Inbound public traffic. Okay, and then we want if input A, if function minimum mode. What the fuck is this expression? Modes can be if series cannot straight. What the hell? Well, this isn't right. Okay, wait. Delete this expression. Add expression. Threshold. That's why it's wrong. If A is below... Oh, fuck. And then this is bytes in... Oh, God. Bytes in kilobits? So it's an I rate. Oh, fuck. Oh, alert when... So this irate is in kilobits, which is... That is 500,000 byte. That's 500,000 bytes. So 5 zeros is 500,000 kilobit. So I want one... Okay, I want 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Which, that should be 1 megabit in an irate. And then it should recover if it goes above 50 megabits. So that, I believe, if I have a look at this crash, so it did that and then, yeah. When it came back, it literally immediately jumped above 50 megabit. Yeah, easy. Easy. So then I want, so that's 1 megabit. I then want 50, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Preview. Preview? Fuck. Well, that didn't work. Recovery threshold B is only allowed to be an alerting condition. Why is this not... Recording the output rule? Wait, I'm so... How do I set this as an alert? Wait, so this is the bytes irate right now, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, about 300 megabit. Which would track, I think. So that's my alert. Wait, this is a recording rule. Wait. This isn't even making a new alert. Oh my fucking god. That's why I'm stupid. When query is below, and then what did we decide? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Normal. Wait, can I add a recovery rule or no? Okay. Oh, contact point. Telegram. Save. Okay, do you want to try this out? If I just go edit. Above. Oh, hold. Wait for it. Uh-oh. And the phone? Oh no, it's not coming. Hey! Public inbound traffic has dropped below 1 MB/s. Network is down. Access dashboard. Nice! Edit is below. Saved. Oh my god. So can I do the t.me/this? Open Telegram desktop. Wait, can I not customize how the bot looks? Can I change the bot's profile picture and stuff? Oh, boom. Primary network is down, resolved. Because I'm not going to lie, orange PH doesn't look good. In Bot Father, there's a command for it. Click the profile and click manage. What the actual fuck is going on Johnny's stream?
And I'm assuming, Johnny, you're homeless and Max, you're incapacitated.
Yes. Yeah, that is correct. That is correct.
Ray, of course, you're playing the star Bilzo. Okay, now, people, I just want to, you know,
don't ask me to
remind everybody.
Don't ask me to get.
Okay, well, let's not be so comprehensive. Let's not be so, you know, on edge.
Role playing.
I genuinely think what this could bring to the scene, Johnny, you and your underwear, is not only bringing the audience imagine. You know what? We'll talk about this later. All right, Johnny.
I don't personally feel like that wasn't his underwear.
Thank you. Me too. And that's you getting in the mind of Bilzo right there. Okay, you're being real. And Max, I was in the pisser, so I don't know. But that beautiful sort of just keep holding on to that chest. Even though you're struggling, it still hurts. Like a knife to the. Okay, John A.
All right, we're all filled in, and I think we're ready to start the scene. Bill, you're
nipples
gonna count in.
Like that.
Nipples are in. They are out like tents. I need this time Bill. 15-second countdown so that at the 10-second mark, Max starts his character, and then at 5 seconds, I ask for the weed. Raya, you supply me, and then at the 2 to 1 second mark, we both help Max. We CPR him back to life. Scene cut. Understood?
Wait, we only have 10 seconds to do this?
Trust me, it will work out. Just you gotta believe in the ability. All right, but we all have a lot of talent here, and then it will work. Trust me, it will work.
Shorts, first of all, John.
That's a great question. Should
Do you
I go and
have
check?
tighter little shorts you can wear that almost look like underwear?
Maybe spandex?
Well, let's find out quickly. Hold on.
He's got, bro, that snail trail is fucking diabolical. That is the thickest trail. Bro, that's a snail road. There is no way that's a trail. Fuck me. Jesus Christ.
Bad news, they're all in the wash.
Bro, you've got Guy Fury's beard going down to your cock. Have you seen that snail trail? Fuck, okay. All right.
In character here, you're the director, not the pervert. Come on, in character.
Count down from 15, people. Let's keep it. What were your rules again, John A? 15.
So 15 at the 10-second mark, Max starts. 5 seconds.
Okay. That's crazy. Well, they're having fun. Is that link meant to be public? What link? This? This isn't public. This is on a VPN. None of this is public. This is all behind Zero Trust. Not that link. What link? The IP on that page, this? I believe it's just metrics, no? Yeah, like, you can't do anything with this. Here's just Node Explorer. That's fine. I can probably also edit the name of this just to be Node Mass Disconnect. It doesn't matter, it's Ryzen 9, it would happen to any of them. Alright, so that's our alerting setup. Wouldn't expose that regardless. Two, in BotFather, there is a command to change the avatar. I closed my DMs with BotFather. BotFather isn't talking to me. It doesn't let me open chat with BotFather. He just tells me this. You can also just click the bot name at the top of the chat. Manage. Wait, really? I don't see manage. Oh, manage. Oh, okay, cool. Set profile picture. Okay, it's time to play Where the Fuck Did I Save the Play Hosting Branding. Downloads, maybe? Mayhaps? Nope, that's a WireGuard config. You got a NAS? Use it? Bro, I store so much shit in this NAS. Oh, wait, it's down right now. I can't connect to it. I'm not on the right network. Wait, it might be in downloads. Is this it? This? Yeah, but... I want this logo, but on a black background, is what I want. So no way I could just download the Discord profile picture. It's online Photoshop, but I have Photoshop. Thank you for the high def favicon. That works. It didn't even update the profile picture. I did all of that and it didn't even update. Wait, it did! Guys! It's not very centered. I think that would be more centered. That's so fucking good. That's so fucking clean. That's so fucking clean. Damn. We did it. Oh, did my test alerts not come up? What's this? Oh, is it more than an hour ago? Wait. Wait. My alert didn't come up. Oh, wait. Is it because it's not tied to a graph? Like this one is? Oh, okay. Lit, I guess. I guess it's because I didn't link it to that graph. Everyone invoices will be in the mail the 1st of every month. Yay. Everything appears to be working. Tara sounds hella tired. I am hella tired. I'm probably gonna go to bed now. I'm probably going to go to bed now. Well, now everything's working again. Something did happen here, though. Oh, actually, no, that's drop's not as big as I thought it was. That was a free node crashing. That's fine. I guess VC tomorrow, then, if that's chill. Because I still have to call someone else tonight first, if that's a go. Actually, no, we can VC today. It will be chill. I should be able to VC today. But I do need to end up this stream now. Alright, I guess I'll raid Jono. Is it just Jono? It is. Okay, well, Telegram works. That's lit. Okay. I will see you guys. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll see you Friday. I'll come up with a cool idea to do for tomorrow, and then we'll do that. Alright? Okay, guys. See you later.